Hi friends, today we're going to sing The Tailor and the Mouse. I think most of you know this song, so please sing along if you can. There was a tailor had a mouse, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. They lived together in a house, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. Hi-diddlum-cum-tarum-tum-tum through the house of Ramsey. Hi-diddlum-cum over the lea, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. The tailor thought the mouse was ill, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle, because he took an awful chill, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. Hi-diddlum-cum-tarum-tum-tum through the house of Ramsey, Hi-diddlum-cum over the lea, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. The tailor thought the mouse would die, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle, and so he baked him in a pie, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. Hi-diddlum-cum-tarum-tum-tum through the house of Ramsey, Hi-diddlum-cum over the lea, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. He cut the pie, the mouse ran out, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. The mouse was in a terrible pout, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. Hi-diddlum-cum-tarum-tum-tum through the house of Ramsey, Hi-diddlum-cum over the lea, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. The tailor gave him catnip tea, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle, until a healthy mouse was he, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. Hi-diddlum-cum-tarum-tum-tum through the house of Ramsey, Hi-diddlum-cum over the lea, Hi-diddlum-cum-feedle. Have a good day.